In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text. To paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you wanna paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. In order to do that, just hold it and pick pin icon from the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can either hold it and tap on delete, or you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, and last but not least, click on this pen at the top right corner, select it and use pin icon here. You can also pin it or unpin it using this icon. Finally, to disable Clipboard, just use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!